Hi guys, it's officially the Chevening Scholarship application season, and if you have been an OG on this channel, then you already know that around this time I do a lot of work supporting prospective applicants. And this year I would like you to tell me how I can be of support to you in the comment section. So I checked my Chevening playlist, which I'm going to leave here on YouTube. There are over 40 videos already, so I feel like there's no need to keep creating more videos on the application process because I have touched on literally everything. Unless there's a drastic change in the requirements that requires me to explain to you guys, I don't see the need to come and make another video. Of course, I will create more videos in areas that are important, but I have made so many videos. I've even read my applications here. So I wanted to ask you guys, how do you want me to support you? One of the many messages that I've gotten via my emails on TikTok and on Instagram is that people want me to review their application. Now, a few years ago, I did take application reviews and I had a massive burnout. So I did it for 2 years, and each time I had burnout, so I stopped doing it because it takes a lot of my time. So if I'm going to do review of applications this year, I'm very sure that I'm going to charge a small fee. In order to do that, I will, because that's value for my time. But for free support, I have also decided to do live sessions twice every week. So on Saturdays and Sundays in the evenings, say 8 p.m. from 8 p.m. Central European time, so Brussels time, I will do live sessions here on YouTube. I'll talk to you guys for at least 1 to 2 hours. You can ask your questions. We can go through everything. I can support you that way. But those 1 or 2 hours, I'll give you each day for 2 days in a week, and we will do that by the grace of God until the end of the application season. But that's it. If you want me to do a personalized or a tailored one-on-one support for you, then I'm going to leave this link here in the description section of this video, where I have created a Google form. You can fill it, you can tell me how you want me to support, and if you are willing to pay the fee that I will charge, then I'm going to do a one-on-one support program with you where I guide you through. Now, for disclaimer, I don't work for Chevening. I'm not an official. I'm just an alumni that has given back for so many years. But if you want a one-on-one, and the fact that I'm going to support you does not guarantee that you are going to make it. I just want to help you based on my own experience of having been through the process. I just want to help you make sure that you present a strong application. That way you can improve your chances. But that doesn't mean that I'm going to write the essay for you, or you are going to have an assurance that you'll be selected. Of course, I'm not in the selection. I don't even know what's happening at that level. So yeah, that's just it from my end. Please let me know in the comment section if there are other ways that I can be of support. If the time on Saturday and Sunday doesn't work for you, but that's really what works for me. So I hope that you guys can be online. If you already have questions that you want me to answer in the upcoming live, I think I want to do one start this week, then let me know and let's have a chat about it. Until we meet again, guys, please do not forget to create some impact.